So I thought it was about time that I started to explain a little bit about Ayurveda and what it is and why I think it's important for us all to learn from it. With us now living with COVID, it's even a better time to start focusing more on our well-being and our immune system. I devised this recipe as a detox and also with antifungal properties. But now I use it daily as a preventative, and that is what Ayurveda is. It treats the cause of the problem as opposed to Western medicine treating symptoms. Ayurveda is a preventative medicine, therefore maintenance is key. According to Ayurveda, the human body, the physical entity, is composed of three fundamental categories called doshas, dhatus, and malas. The doshas are 3 in number, the dhatus are 7, and the malas are 3. The 3 doshas, tridoshas, are vata, pitta, and kapha. Dhatus, on the other hand, are the building blocks of the human body, according to Ayurveda, and malas are the waste products of the body. The way in which the physiology of the human body is perceived in Ayurveda is completely different to that of modern medicine. Rather than having specific systems, in Ayurveda, the body consists of a series of channels which are 7 in number. However, Ayurveda approaches disease as an imbalance in the body and the treatment as bringing the body back into balance, as modern medicine approaches illness as an attack on the body and the treatment as a fight against it, dealt with through the symptoms rather than the cause of the problem. The body's constitution, prakriti, and the life forces, doshas, are the primary basis of Ayurvedic medicine. Goals of treatment aid the person by eliminating impurities, reducing symptoms, increasing resistance to disease, reducing worry, and increasing harmony in life, bringing the concept of universal interconnectedness. And Ayurveda is all about understanding that healthy is your natural state. If you and your environment are in balance, that is considered optimum health. If you'd like to know more about Ayurveda, download my free ebook available now.